Okay, welcome guys to the next Blender tutorial. So we're going to be making a notebook today. So I'm just going to take the default cube right here, stretch it out a little bit. So this is just a basic design that you guys can make. Just going to scale that in. Right there, I do this all the time. Screencast keys. I'm ahead in the game, right? So we're just making this. We're just gonna shade this smooth, just like a little kind of nook. This is gonna be the cover of the book. And what we can do is Shift D. Put another one on top. That's gonna be the second cover of the book, and then Shift D goes into the middle. So scale this down. Then we're just going to scale it upwards. It's kind of got like a book kind of thing. I'm just going to move this up a little bit. Anything going on? Okay, so I'm just going to scale this just upwards slightly and then just bring it across a little bit. Okay, so that is the premise of our basic notebook. And you can also put binders in the side of this as well. So just go to add mesh. You can go with cylinder. I'm going to go with cylinder. It's just easier to do. Rotate it 90 degrees. And then rotate it 90 degrees again. So that we can just take the sides off this. So what we're going to do is going to go to edit mode. We're going to select one side right here. And then just press delete faces. The other side right here, delete faces. Select everything, just by pressing A. Scale it inwards. And then press E for extrude. Keep it where it is. And then just scale inwards. So now we kind of got like these little binder rings right here. I'm just going to go ahead and shade that smooth. Rotate to 90 degrees. Go with G. Scale down a little bit. G, scale up. Now you can make these as big or as small as you want. Just as long as they fit the binding of the actual book. Should be fine. Yep. Okay, so now what we want to do is we just want to duplicate this a good number of times. So just Shift D, go across one axis, press 1. Shift D, go across this axis, press 1. Shift D, go across this axis, press 1. And then for this one, what we're going to do is Shift D, go across this axis, and we're going to go -1. And then we're going to go Shift D, go across this axis again, -1. And then Shift D, go across this axis again, and -1. You can also add text to the front of here as well by going to the add. And then we're going to go to text. So you see that it pops up right here. So if you press G and just bring it up a little bit. You want to go rotate and then just press 90. Press G just to move it across. And to edit the text, we're going to go to edit mode. Just delete what's there and then just put notebook. So you notice at the moment you can't see it. So you're going to go to the text right here. And then we want to go to, you can go to different fonts right here. Let me see. Space geometry. You can extrude this just a little bit so that it comes onto the top of the book. Just press G, just move it upwards. And there you have it. There is your basic notebook. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the camera on today because for some reason it's not working. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one.